How your company has grown in the last few years?
Last few years, the company's growth has been largely organic and by extending its distribution in a couple of states. Few products were added to the product line, and that's how the company has grown in the last couple of years. One of the features was to increase or enhance our distribution presence into newer states. Largely, the growth was driven by adding on in the edible oil segment and moving Cocoraj into additional states.
What is the status of expansion?
The status of expansion is that the Jaipur plant has been operational from November 09, and we are seeing an increasing use in the capacity as well as sales in the northern side of the country or the northern region. The Manor plant, yes, by October end the plant will be functional. The refinery will be functional, and that should see us put in further speed into catering to the marketplace and catering to additional geographical areas.
What is your competitive edge?
Competitive edge is, for the first time, you have a company which has already got the forward end of the supply chain well organized and in the marketplace. And in the last year, we've done a fair amount of work on the back end of the supply chain and ensured that our sourcing as well as oil seed procuring facilities or vendors have been put into place. So we are now from an end-to-end a classic company where we not only will be carrying the oil seeds but will be able to avail, because of the refinery, of importing an oil which can be refined into the secondary stage and then catered to the marketplace.
How much strong are your brands?
I think every company will always talk strong about its brands, and the real test of a brand is its longevity. Guinea and Cocoraj have been around for a long time, and in the times to come, with increased and enhanced corporate visibility and branding, which in the last couple of years we have not been the most aggressive of the advertising people in the marketplace, you will really be able to get an accurate judgment on the branding strength of the company in another couple of months' time. But needless to say, it should suffice to let you know that if the brands are available and are remembered by the people despite a lack of audio-visual based advertising, unlike some other organizations which have been very heavily into it, that speaks volumes about the intrinsic strengths and the memory and the recall on the brands.